everybody, welcome back to Enchanted Life. My name is Cassandra. If you're new here, thanks for being here with me. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Turn on the notifications because I'm going to have a whole bunch of new videos coming out for you guys. But today is a really special day because I got something great in the mail and I want to share it with all of you. And so here we go. So this is one of the very sought after Jeffree Star packages, and we're gonna open it together and see what's in it because I haven't seen a video on the large package on what everyone got so far. I've been waiting on it, and like I said, I wanted to make sure that we shared it together because I know unfortunately a lot of people couldn't get these packages. They were sold out in 20 minutes. I don't know how I got so fortunate on getting one of these, but I was on the phone. I started on his website, I guess, about half hour ahead of time. So I'm glad you're with me, and let's go ahead and open it up. Also, I wanted to tell you before we open this up that I have a really cool Christmas present that I want to tell you guys about that you can make for your friends if you weren't able to get this package, but you have other Jeffree Star packages, or maybe you just want to keep everything that's in this package. You want to keep it all for yourself, but you want to give your friends something cool Jeffree Star, Shane Dawson-ish for the holidays. It is just a really cool way to make some really neat Christmas presents for your friends or for yourself. I'm going to make a few for myself, and I'll probably give away a couple too. Make sure you subscribe. That should be coming out very soon, and let's go ahead and get into this package. It doesn't shake. I don't hear anything. So that's good, but you know, Jeffree, he packs everything like amazing. Anyways, his people do. They do an awesome job. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So, first thing I see is one of his hoodies. The Jeffree Star Cosmetics, let's see, let me go ahead and open it up. Can you guys see that? So first thing in the package is one of the Jeffree Star hoodies. Let's take it out of the plastic. And I am a super sucker for black hoodies, so this is perfect. I'm actually in the Houston area, and it has been getting so cold. I think our high today was maybe like 55, so I am freezing. Oh wow, this is like gigantic. I mean, I want it big, but this is like a sleep hoodie. This is awesome. So, but you can see it there, and it's got the cool stars, and I love purple and black, so that is just awesome. That's my favorite. So anyway, so huge hoodie, which is great. I can wear it around and try and stay warm in Houston. And then we got this reusable straw cleaning brush. So you get like the peppermint straw, and it looks like a little cleaning brush that goes with it. Oh, you see that? So that's kind of cool. I'm not big on using straws, but I definitely think that this would make a really cool like stocking stuffer. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Supreme Frost. And this is Frozen Peach. The shade Frozen Peach. So let's open it up. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that amazing? I hope you guys can see this. Oh, I hate to touch the logo on there, but let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh, look at the shine. Can you guys see that shine on there? That's so pretty. I have a ton of Jeffree Star palettes, but I've actually never bought one of the highlighters, and I've always wanted to, and I don't know why I never do. Oh wow, I've got like Frozen Peach everywhere all over my hands now. This is gorgeous. It is very pigmented and very beautiful. Okay, what else do we have? What? There's not any fancy Jeffree Star like wrapping. Or most of the time when you send stuff out, you get the cool tissue paper with logos and everything on it. But this is, we'll open it up. But comes with this logo. And let's see what we have in here. Androgyny. Oh, I don't have this one. Let's open it up and see. So it's the Androgyny one. You can see my ring light on there. I'm sorry about that, guys. I got too close. And sorry, that's my daughter's cat. I think this is a really good like fall palette. And you got a little red in there too, so you can get some good Christmas use out of them, like Christmas parties and things like that out of that. They are really pretty. We have Frosting, Safe Word, Charm, Deja Vu, Dominatrix, Androgyny, Fetish, Military, that's like the perfect military color, Poison, and Swallow. And I'm sure they're going to be gorgeous too. So let's see. I'm really liking the military one. I don't know why. That's just like sticking out to me. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Let's go ahead and say, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And I am not a green fan. Oh, I'm loving that. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, now we have this little package, and it's in the red tissue paper with the Jeffree Star sticker. And let's see. This is the, oh my gosh, I can smell it. I just opened it up and I can smell it. But this is the Peppermint Frost. Peppermint Frost palette that everyone was talking about. Wow. Gosh, they smell so good. It smells like peppermint. You got Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. They smell so good. Ugly Sweater, really strong peppermint, but of course it is the white and the pink. Igloo Gold kind of still smells like peppermint, but the Chocolate Ice kind of smells like chocolate. Am I crazy? I might be crazy. Let's go ahead and we'll swatch these on the back of my hand. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Okay, so the first one is Ugly Sweater, and the second one is Igloo Gold, and the third is the Chocolate Ice. Now there is some fallout with the Chocolate Ice, but look at that shine. Can you see that shine? That is just beautiful. So this is it again, and it is just amazing. I don't even want to use it because it just smells so good. I can't believe before I even opened it, I could smell like it coming out of the box. Okay, and then more tissue paper, but none of the tissue paper with the logos on it. Okay, well guys, here's the point where I'll tell you kind of what we need to do. Now, for the other video that I was talking about, you need to, and I know you guys have saved it because of course I saved it too, but I've got some Jeffree Star tissue paper. You can see with the logos on there. And then of course I have some of my Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson tissue paper that I saved. Now there is a hole in it, and that's okay if there's a hole in it. Just go ahead, and if you're ordering anything from Jeffree Star and you're getting this paper this holiday, go ahead, stash it away, because I'm making another video to show you some really awesome things that you can do with these, okay? So save up your paper. I'm kind of disappointed that in this box, in this Christmas box, there's no Jeffree Star logo on the paper, on the green or the red. I was really hoping we would have like Christmas colors, but that's okay. Okay. Oh, I guess these are the stickers that everyone was upset about. These are really cute. Let's see. We've got the Can't Relate.
Can't relate.
Hi, how are ya?
Hi, how are ya?
Beauty Killer. Blue Blood. That's probably one of my favorite palettes. I think that is my favorite palette of his, is Blue Blood. I absolutely love that palette. What is that? The Thesis? The Thesis. This is funny. Blend Bitch. Frosty. And this is Jeffree Star.
Jeffree Star approved! Whoa!
Oh, right on. I love it. Jeffree Star approved. So, those are the stickers. I think they're really cute. Now, if I was expecting like a makeup product, would I think they were cute? Probably not. But I think they are very cute. Just as like an extra throw in there. Okay, so what else do we have? Lure Liquid Lipstick and Fudge Pop. So you can see right there the color. Let's go ahead. And I don't want to tear it up that way. I don't know why. It's not like I'm going to save the box. See? It's very pretty. It's not really probably a color I would use. So I don't even know if I want to swatch it, because I don't, you know, I might give this to like a friend for Christmas or something. because it's not really my color. I don't know, I'll think about it. It does look beautiful though. It's got like a nice, it's kind of like a nice bronze with like a red shine to it. But very pretty. Does it smell? Let's see. It says it's fudge pop, so no, I can't smell it really. No, doesn't really have any smell. Not that I noticed anyway. Okay, and then our very last thing in here. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, this is a Velour liquid lipstick, and you can see it right there. And it comes in the color Karma, which I'm loving this green. I don't know what the deal is. I'm absolutely loving this green. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Now this one was like the best. Okay, so look how shiny that bottle is. Can you see how amazing that is? That shine. Let's go ahead. We gotta swatch that. My hands are already kind of sparkly anyway. What? It's not the shiny, but it's that like army green. So let's go ahead. Oh my gosh. You know, this is something I might actually use for, oh, look how pretty that is. And not patchy. I love Jeffree Star stuff. But it's really, really pretty. This is something that I would maybe use with that eyeshadow. To go with that eyeshadow or to darken up that eyeshadow. But I love this packaging. It is white and there's just glitter everywhere. I hope you guys can see that. See, tons of glitter everywhere. It is so pretty. Okay. Well, let's see. And then we have just some more tissue paper. But no Jeffree Star stuff. But that's okay, guys. So what I need you to do, I'm going to give you like a homework assignment. I am going to be putting out that video very soon. So go ahead and find all your paper, because it's really important that we need this kind of paper in order to do our special gifts for our friends or for yourself. And we're going to make something really cool out of it. So we're going to get a little crafty and go from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really want to share it with you all. I love doing this. I wish you would put out like a monthly box or something like that. And I wish you would make a lot more of them too, because unfortunately I can't get a hold of all of them to show you what's in all of them. But Jeffree, you need to put out like a monthly box. That would be wonderful. Anyway, guys, thanks again for joining my channel. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and hope everyone's doing great. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.